What is going on here? Looks like I was all ready to start weaving. I had done the tie-up here. And what I do before I do the second tie, I do the one, I then go through it to see if I see any threading errors. And what I often do is I lift each of the shafts while they're under tension to see if there's anything that I might have done wrong. And lo and behold, if you notice here, there are 2 and 2. Well, guess what? There were 3 here. Well, I hope you can see that. I have the light on there. Yeah, come over here. So there were 3. Yes, I had an extra thread right in there, and it was right smack in the middle. Now, what am I doing? Well, first of all, I took it out. That was the easy thing to do, throw it over the back. But the problem is, with this reed, I am slaying 2 in every dent. And what happened was, there was only 1 in the dent. Now, I could have let it go. It was right smack in the middle. However, I found it, and I'm fixing it. What I'm doing is I'm just taking, each time I'm taking a group, untying one, and then I'm re-slaying the reed. It might take maybe a half an hour to fix it, but knowing that there was a mistake now, if I don't fix it, I'm going to see it later. And I believe I've explained to you that if you do skip a dent, depending on the weave pattern, it's going to show when you're finished with your product. A little more explanation as to what I'm doing. I don't want to take it all out at one time. So like I said, I untied one group. I took the one thread that was supposed to be with another one. And when I had the one in there, I already fixed it. And I moved one over. Now what I'm doing is I'm going back to my heddles, pulling 2, and then going underneath and pulling it through. I thread my reed by laying it flat. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to also to put it that way to fix any mistakes as well. So as you can see, I'm pulling over, and this is very fine. This is 8/2 tencel. And I'm double checking I have good lighting. Pulling 2 over, going underneath. Again, kind of pull them over, and I'm kind of like pick the 2 apart. I know you can't really see it from the angle of the camera is, but I can see that I'm picking up 2 and pulling it through. And I'm going to go until I get to, I still have 3 dents to do. I'll pull 2 more over. I'm going to go until I just have 1 empty dent. And this is where you can see right now I have 1 thread, and I can't have just 1 in that. And then what I'll do is I will now hold the bottom. I don't want to take everything out. I just want to pull out another group that I will be re-slaying the reed with. So now I'm ready to keep on going. Well, about 25 minutes later, maybe a little bit less, I'm back in business. Reeds threaded. Star the tie on, and I'll do another check to make sure there are no other threading errors.